the Reba axe. Stick around. Alright guys, welcome back to Three River Blades. This is the Reba axe in Subdue, and we'll get a little bit more of a close-up in a minute. I'm going to be part of the car show coming up in the Bronx, New York. I will have all these blades. That's why you'll see a lot of these videos where I'm making a lot of stock. So I do have some stuff that's going over to Cerakote. That stuff's going to come back. That will also be available. So if you come by the booth, I will be there. It is an outdoor venue, so dress warm. It is in November 5th, 2022. I will have a whole bunch of blades for you to choose from if you just want to pick it up and go. Or what you can do is go to threeriverblades.com right now. Check out all the great stuff I have up there. Make sure that you put everything in the cart that you want, and then check out, and I'll get it to you as soon as I can. What I need you guys to do is like, subscribe, put some comments down below if you have one of these awesome pieces. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut to the video, and then I'll see you in a few minutes. Welcome back. I hope you really appreciate that. I want to give you a little bit of a close-up of this axe. This is called the Reba axe, the Rescue Emergency Breaching Axe, the Reba, R-E-B-A. It is made of L6 and it has a 1/4 inch thick stock, maybe even actually a little bit long, more than a 1/4 inch thick. Very, very sharp axe head, and it has a pry bar on the back, or a spike if you will. A lot of features went into this. I wanted to make the round top, so if you needed to pry, you can do that. Also, some type of braking mechanism in the back if you need to get through doors, that kind of thing. Axe will work with wood, will work with metal. It is made of L6, which is it's made of L6, which is jackhammer steel, so it's very, very tough. On the end of it, you do have this diamond shape. That diamond shape is to get into doorways or jams and peel it off if you need to. Again, you know, skull crusher, walnut breaker, whatever you want to call it, you can. This will come with a Kydex sheath. I didn't have a chance to make it today, but it's just a slip-on sheath with some bungee cord, and you're good to go, just so you don't hurt yourself when you're using the spike end of this. And if you wanted to store it, this has black linen micarta on it, which is going to be the default, and it does have 3 pins, three stainless steel pins. And this ideally is for rescue. That's what I made it for. It's not a woodsman's axe, it's for rescue. So if you want one of these, go to threeriverblades.com, or check me out at the car show on November 5th. I will be there in Bronx, New York. I'll put the links down below if you're interested in that. And I will be there selling all my wares, and I hope to meet you guys. If you're a car guy, you can bring a car. If you have a really nice car, old, doesn't matter what model it is. So Vets, Mustangs, Mopar, whatever your genre is, if it's a really nice car and you want to show it off, it's only a $10 entrance fee. So pretty good to go. All right, guys, thank you very much. Like, subscribe, share, and go to threeriverblades.com. Make sure you're on that mailing list. Go to threeriverblades.com, go all the way down to the bottom, first name, last name, and your email address. Is the only place I am sending discount codes. If you're not on a mailing list, you're not getting a discount code. Thanks very much, guys. As always, be safe.